Hello, my name is Mr. Vice Grip. Hello, Emily. How are you? I know. I haven't made a sock speaks for a long time. Well, now we got the flyers speak. What? 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 Ooh. Well, Emily.
Oh, hi, you're making a...
What?
Oh, hi, you're making a video for Lama Lee?
Yeah. She needs cheering up. Hello, Lee. It's me.
Oh, wow, this is amazing. I didn't know players could talk.
Oh, we do talk. Oh, yeah.
You got any good formulations for rust prevention?
Oh, yeah, WD-40. Works fine.
WD-40.
Yeah.
Wow, okay. So, you gonna spray yourself with it or what?
What?
You gonna spray yourself with it?
No, I don't think so. You must spray me.
Okay, I'll spray you.
Wow. Okay, Lee, I gotta go.
Oh, yeah, okay. Well, I think Lama Lee will appreciate a video of Players Speaks.
Yeah. The pliers. Oops. Speaks. Speak. La la la.
You did admirably, Mr. Pliers. Well, what happened to him? He stopped working?
No.
Oh, you went to sleep again. Oh, well, okay. Hi, Lee. It's me. Oh, I should show me, too. Is that a good idea?
Oh, yeah.
Hi, it's your little Johnny somewhere in the planetoid. Hello, Lee. We could have fun together. Okay, catch you guys later. Bye, Lee.